Blitz Company. Blitz Company Limited is a tuning company headquartered in Nishitōkyō, Tokyo, Japan. It formerly specialized in turbo compression using Kühnle, Kopp and Kausch turbos on their first achievements. Blitz is now a general tuner offering parts ranging from simple pressure gauge to supercharging kit, including body kits. Tuning. Blitz is not a brand-specific tuner. Although it often presents the spearheading Nissan Skyline, Blitz also works on models from companies such as Subaru, Mitsubishi, Honda and Toyota. Also, it has a subsidiary specializing in European cars called Blitz AG. Motorsports. Blitz also stands out in motorsport events such as in Dun GP and drag racing. In Dun GP, the company is represented by Ken Namura and his Blitz Dun Spec ER34 Skyline. Blitz is also present in drag racing thanks to a Toyota Supra which cuts the quarter mile in about 9 seconds. References